This week we're hosting a vocal music workshop, and these are the sounds that I wake up to every morning. I absolutely love it. I have come downstairs this morning to find this in the kitchen. 40 cents. And that will be Percy paying Mummy and me our winnings because the recycling was collected with the bins.
I truly am four.
Where did you get that?
It's my hammer. I have to have my hammer.
Oh yeah, I forgot you're not holding that all the time. But that particular hammer.
This particular hammer is for paving slabs.
Oh, it's rather a gentle hammer.
It is.
It seems that everyone started practicing for the final concert of the workshop tonight. It's the last day of the workshop. I've come to the vegetable garden to get all of the herbs that I need for lunch. I think mint, parsley, some basil. I'm going to make a rice salad. I wish that I could describe the smell of the herbs in this heat. It just smells so incredibly delicious here. Lunch has been served, and now I'm quickly being interviewed for Living France magazine. I think the interview should come out in their December issue. I've escaped the kitchen. I've come to my friend's beautiful manor house because she has a swimming pool, and I've spent the last 2 weeks of this heat wave in a kitchen next to a working cooker.
My friend has a swimming pool.
Live up the night and dance till it's light. Just let it go tonight. Just let it go tonight.
Now I'm stuck behind a tractor pulling all the hay, and I'm never going to get home in time to make dinner. I've made it back by the skin of my teeth, and now it looks like I'm going to have to cook in my swimwear. This is an unbelievable moment. It's the last afternoon tea cake of the 2-week cooking marathon that I've just had. It's time for the last concert of the workshops. We're just going through now to listen to everything that they've been working on. Let's go through together. Here we go. 3 ducklings in a row.
Oh, lipstick. I forgot the lipstick. Very important.
The one duckling is not in the row.
No, one duckling always wanders off out of the row. Transformation, Mummy. Great, let's go. I put my thoughts into song. Thank you for the music. And now I need a great night's sleep because tomorrow I'm going to go and party at the Chateau de Lalande and I can't wait.